Hello, everyone, and welcome to a new Financial Eagle session. Hi, Miguel.
Hello, Lama. Hello, guys. So I will share my screen. Okay, so we will start with DS30, guys. Okay, DS30, as you can see, look at those daily candles. Okay, this daily candles, I don't love to be trading as intraday or swing in it. I love to scalp those candles. Yes. Okay, I will let you know how. So first, I will look at the daily. Here we reached a strong area over this. Look at this liquidity over here. We hit it and then we pushed down. Okay. So I will wait for now for this daily candle to close to see tomorrow how, because if even at like we made the wick up and then pushing down, that might like continue the push down. As you can see, look the weekly. Okay, the first time it broke it at like 30 pip and then pushed one way up. That was like a liquidity been done after the news. Okay, so for now I will wait to see this close, to see tomorrow this break even, like this area for the buys. As for the sells, I will wait for this area and this area, especially as a swing trade. Okay, I go to the 4 hours. Look at those 4 hours. So that's not tradable, honestly, as intraday. Scalp, you can take scalp for this. Okay, look at the 1 hour. Look at all those candles. Only this one push, one push. Okay, so that's why this can be scalped over here. And you take it as scalp. Look at this rejection, reversal bullish, close, and then this one that was fast push. You take it as scalp over this area, and for sure you will be securing 20, 30 pip following because that's scalp. Okay, and you leave it. Okay, so for now, even look at the 4 hours. I will mark this zone and see what will happen like over here. How this candle will close, how this tomorrow will be like that's like a bad area to be trading in. Okay, that look at those candles, look at those consolidation and wicks. So I will wait a little bit. I'm gonna be skeptic about this sell. Okay, this one that's great as a weekly. Okay, that's that this trade. It's gonna be like as weekly and swing. I need after a push. If it kept pushing one way, I'm not taking anything. I will wait. A retracement, you go to the 4 hours. Okay, this daily. Okay, if the tomorrow candle open, wick up, and then pushing all the way down, I don't take this trade. I will wait neither a close over here on the daily or a push down. You see, like on the 4 hours, and then a retracement, and then a back push. Okay, so that's it for the Dow. We go for the gold. The gold, look, we pushed this sell. That was like great sell. In the morning, it did like 62 pips. And it was like the volume on London, it's not being good. So it kept stagnating in the same area. Then it did it after it, like before on the like before the US Open. Okay, it gained like a volume, push down. We took it as an intraday, great trade. So for now, as daily, I will wait. I will mark this zone to see tomorrow. That's a closed zone. I will see tomorrow the candle how it's gonna be opening and breaking. Okay, we might have it like as even as a scalp gold, intraday gold. Okay, that's like 180 pips, 200 pips. Okay, and then as a swing, the break of this, we continue with it. Okay, that's for the buy. For the sell, I will wait over this area now, not here. Okay, because here it rejected. Look, no big volume as a bearish momentum over here. So I will wait for this area to be broken. Okay, I will mark it even here. Okay, so that's for the gold. We go for GJ. Let's go on the higher time frame. As you can see, look at GJ, guys. That's a weekly trend, by the way. Okay, look at this weekly trend. Look at this liquidity. Okay, you go to the daily. Look how many times. That's a great area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, even here 9. It hit this trend. Like it's hitting this area and reversing each time from it, okay? So for now to be taking sells, this sell over here is gonna be good as intraday, not swing to be taking it. As per swing, I need the break of this low, okay? As a push down, retest on this trend line, and then pushing back down as big swing trade, okay? As for the buy, that's the zone I'm gonna be marking this one to start taking buys. Okay, look at this area, strong area, all over here. Okay, so I will wait like to see how the break of this area gonna be. It might be a good retracement to be taking. Look, that's a big consolidation, 4 hours, big consolidation. So I will wait. I will wait this break over here. Okay, look at this, all this area. Okay, I'll be securing for sure on this here, and I go with it. Okay, it might reverse like from this area, and it might even break the trend line and continue to push down as a bearish. Okay, here as you can see, we still on the higher time frame, it's bullish, yes. But if you look over here, we start like we have high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Okay, so it's doing a lot of lower highs, and even here it started to do lower lows. Okay, still here didn't break it, so I will wait. Okay, this sell gonna be over this area, and this buy gonna be from here we'll start to look at it. Look at this. That's a very, very, very strong area. So this break, let me put this for more to be more safe. I will put it in this area. Okay, 191.10. Okay, 191.10. So let's wait to see what will happen. We need volume only. Just like with volume, it's good. Look at this daily candle. Look at this daily candle. So we need this volume. Okay, so this is for GJ. We go for the euro. The euro, as we thought, this area still didn't break. It hit it. It pushed down. It hit it. It pushed down. Now it is on it. Okay, let's go to the weekly. Look at this weekly. We had a big bullish push over this area. Then a retracement, bearish one. So now for this break, we might have it like pushing. Okay. Like we will secure for sure on those areas, and we can leave it even. That's a monthly trend. Okay, that's a very strong monthly trend. Okay, so the break of this might push it even to here, to this area. Those look here, we have strong area. We might retrace from it. That's 100 pips. Okay, and even to the trend line, like 200, 300 pips for the euro. Okay. As for the sell, I will wait even here. Nothing to look at for the sell right now. So yeah, I will be waiting for this area as a swing. Okay, and not one way. And that one, it's like weekly and daily. I don't look too much lower time frame. Okay, but what I look at, it's weekly. Okay, I can go to the 4 hours. If I saw it one way pushing like this, I will wait for it to retrace and then to push back down. Okay, here on the 4 hours even. As intraday, look at this trend line. We have a strong trend line on the 4 hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So even I can look for intraday sells over here. Okay, over this area. Okay, as for the buy this area. Okay, look at this, how strong it is. Okay, so that's for the euro. We go for Bitcoin. As we talked, guys, that Bitcoin breaking this area, it's gonna be like a bit risky area, but it can start taking sells from this area. What like last week we said before. So that was a great break over here. Even for riskier, we can start taking it with the volume from this area. Okay. Plus, we said about breaking this area zone. I'm still marking the same zones. Look at this zone. It broke it one way to this area. We said about it might hit this area. Okay, look, it hit it the first day, it reversed. It did like a big retracement from it. Again, now it still didn't break it, this area. Okay, so we might see a retracement, small correction to one of those levels. Okay, 91, 90, we will see this area. And then if it continues the push down breaking again this low, we might see it scrolling down, okay? So let's wait and see. And if we break this area, we had like a good bullish close, again, an open wick down, and then again pushing up, it might like from this area to reach again this area. Okay, so this is it for now for the Bitcoin. We go for Lama.
Yes, thank you, Miguel. Let's see for this week. So with the GBP USD now we are still in the buy. We entered like 1 or 2 pips late, but I wanted to make sure that it will be breaking this time because last time it reached here to this level and it didn't break this area. Mainly for the buy, hopefully it will push up because I can see an uptrend. Okay, so what pushed me to go into the buy is the uptrend because we have like lows and higher lows. Okay, so even though the indicators are showing divergence, but they still didn't break the horizontal line. So it will give me some time to go into the buy and collect maybe like 30 to 50 pips maximum. I believe so. That's why I always try to secure first on 20 pips and then I wait like to reach TP1. That might be like 30 to 50 pips in between. So, and then if it stayed going up, if it stayed in the bullish momentum, we will take, we will leave a runner until TP2. Mainly, this is always my plan while I am trading. On the weekly time frame, we can see that it here, sorry, the indicators are showing a move up. So we have an uptrend, a bullish trend. Let's see what will happen. Mainly nothing like to add for the GBP USD. It has been very slow lately for the currencies. That's why I am trading the US oil. I'm still in the sell, by the way. It's a beautiful trade. It's a descending triangle also. We have high, lower, high, and this like almost the same level of the lows going down 1, 2, 3 and breaking. It's a sell opportunity. Now I'm leaving like a small runner, but for now I collected around 800 and something dollars. Okay, so also you can follow the weekly overview oil, but be careful in the beginning. Always like work on 0.5% risk management. Try to get used to oil. It has been like a month now that I'm taking oil trades. So let's see the USD Canadian dollar, USD CAD. We are still in the buy. We hit TP1, but it's a slow pair. So I'm leaving a runner, by the way. So I secured everything, stop loss entry, zero risk, zero like free risk trade, no risk of losing. Here, if we see, we have, you see like this is like a support area. Okay, so every time like it reaches here and moves up, so maybe it can be like a resistance now area for this level. That's why securing until TP1, leaving a small runner. So now I left I closed 90% of the trade on TP1 because I don't feel comfortable with the move up or the volume, because the volume, we need only the volume to push forward, like the trade. The indicators are going with the same direction. Okay, the indicators here on the weekly overview also pushing up, even though it was like a downtrend, a bearish trend. Now we are reversing and going up. Always the reversal is the hardest part. Reaching here to this level, let's see what will happen. So mainly this is it also for the USD CAD, nothing to add. We are still in the buy, and for the GBP USD, we are still in the buy. So we have to wait and see, what will happen. Now we will move to Lydia.
Good evening, everyone. So regarding silver, as we have mentioned last week, we were waiting for a sell to happen to continue the Elliott wave that have been drawn on the daily time frame. As you can see here, we were waiting for the C, wave C, and it has been done for on Monday and Tuesday. So like for 2 days. And for now, I'll be removing this one and this one too. Okay, so mainly this is gonna be my resistance, and I'll wait until it breaks this one so that I can execute a good sell in case the market will be going down. But mainly what I'll be looking for, the close of this candle. If it closed like this, we're gonna be preparing for tomorrow's buy to continue with wave 5, and the buy will be starting from ضاعت هيديك. Okay, anyway, let me check because I usually have okay, this is, so we're gonna be having our buy from here. If tomorrow's candle made a wick down and crossed the previous high of this candle and continued up, so this is gonna be the target. So mainly this is gonna be the buy for tomorrow in case like it did what we just mentioned now. If not, we're gonna be like having a little retracement as on 4 hours, and it's gonna be reversing and then pushing down, so the Elliott wave won't be anymore very like valid. But mainly this is what's gonna happen for silver. I'll be checking the weekly time frame. We are still bullish for silver, as you can see here. We are still up, mainly now, like if you have seen this, I'll be making it more clear. So this is the big Elliott wave on the weekly time frame, as you can see here. So now like we're gonna be making a good move up before like we're gonna be going down for wave 4. But mainly still we are bullish for silver. So as a small swing or like intraday trade for this 2 upcoming days, we're gonna be like looking for this one. Mainly this is it for silver. Thank you.
Thank you, Lydia. Thank you so much, Lydia. Let me stop